What's up, guys? Okay, so this morning, as you guys can see, I started a little chat room for my traders. These are people that I've actually trained, and they're getting it, so they're getting it. Um, but Brian, this morning, as you can see, at 9:21 a.m. Again, you don't need a lot of time to do this business. You don't really need a lot of time to day trade. So we typically sit at our desk right around 9:20 Eastern. So if you guys are on the West Coast, obviously that's 6:20 on your side. But yeah, 9:20 on the East Coast. We're pretty much sitting at the desk and we're looking at stocks, right? So we're trying to find out what stocks have our buying criteria. So this morning, as you can see at 9:21, Brian hit up BMRA. Cliff also hit us up. He says, "Yeah, BMRA indeed." And these guys that I've trained. And then as you can see me, I came in at 9:22, rise and shine. I just basically sat down. Benjamin is on here as well. Um, everybody's here. So as you can see, by 9:26, I typed BMRA is looking good, right? So we're looking at BMRA. This is BMRA. This is the chart. As you can see, go time is right there at 661. So we all know our entry is when it hits go time, we're all punching it. Me, I happened to jump in a little bit earlier. I just felt this stock was very strong, so I jumped in a little bit earlier. But yeah, everyone jumped in. And as you could see, um, by 9:29, I'm telling everyone to hit their record button because I typically want people hitting their record buttons right here so they can, if anything goes wrong, they can, show it to the broker or whatever. So it's always good to record and go over what you're doing. So at 9:29, I'm telling everyone, all right, hit your record button. And then by 9:30, watch this. Boom, this thing exploded, and in 1 minute. So I just typed nice win on BMRA, and I jumped in early. Brian says me too. And this was all at 9:30. So 1 minute. It took 1 minute to trade today, and we made our profits. A few of us made nice profits. Um, and we're good to go. And as you can see, it went up a little bit higher the next minute. And as you guys can see right about now, this thing went as high as 1055. So this thing was just on a roll. So this thing did a lot of people made money today. So as you guys can see, once you know how to identify these stocks and you know the strategy, is it doesn't take much effort on your part to just execute and just make money. Just imagine 1 minute later, this is what happened. I jumped in here. Basically, I jumped in here at 6:25. I got out at 7:20 in 1 minute. Took 95 cents. I typically buy 3,000 shares. And as you can see, 28.50 was the profit in 1 minute. So I appreciate you guys watching this. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. If you guys want to learn this strategy, come on board. These guys are doing pretty good. As you can see, these guys made money this morning. So can you. So I'll chat with you guys another day. Again, like, comment, subscribe.